What if instead of trading your time for money, you could build something once and get paid for it over and over again? I'm not talking about affiliate marketing, freelancing, or building another course. I'm talking about turning AI automations into digital products that sell while you sleep. Because here's the truth. The biggest winners online today aren't the ones chasing clients. They're the ones building small, smart automations that solve real problems and selling them like products. Hey everyone! Welcome back to Digital Profit Hacks, the channel where we break down how to turn AI and automation into real online income without clients, coding, or ads. If that sounds like your vibe, make sure to hit subscribe, tap that bell, and let's jump straight in. Let's start with this. Most people are still stuck in the old model, trading hours for dollars. You work, you get paid, you stop, your income stops. But digital products change that. And now, AI automation is changing it again. Imagine this. Instead of selling your time as a service provider, you sell your automation as a solution. Let's say a small business struggles to follow up with leads from their website. You could build a simple automation that connects a Google form to make.com, sends a personalized email using ChatGPT, logs responses in Airtable, and follows up automatically after 3 days. That's not just an automation, that's a follow-up agent. And here's the magic. Once you build it, you can sell it again and again. That's the mindset shift. Stop thinking like a freelancer. Start thinking like a product creator. Now, I know what you're thinking. But won't everyone just build the same thing? Number. Because automations are like recipes. The ingredients might be similar, but the flavor depends on who you're serving. Someone could specialize in automations for real estate agents, another for e-commerce stores, another for coaches or content creators. The opportunity isn't in doing something no one's done before. It's in packaging it better than anyone else. Let me give you a quick example. Imagine a freelancer who builds a simple testimonial collector automation. It asks clients for feedback through a Google form, then uses ChatGPT to turn their answers into ready-to-post testimonials. It only takes a weekend to create. They package it, upload it to Gumroad, and price it at $29. Over time, it starts selling consistently, hundreds, maybe even 1,000 copies, bringing in tens of thousands of dollars from one single automation. No clients, no meetings, no extra work. That's the power of selling automations as products, not services. Here's how you can do the same thing, step by step. Step 1. Identify a pain point. Don't start with tools. Start with problems. The best automations come from simple frustrations people face every single day. So take a look around. What are small business owners, freelancers, or creators constantly complaining about online? They forget to follow up with leads. They lose track of clients. They spend hours sending repetitive emails. Or they just can't keep up with content posting. Every single one of those is an opportunity for an automation that saves them time and earns you money. Remember, the bigger the pain, the easier it is to sell the solution. Step 2. Build a simple prototype. Now that you know the problem, it's time to build something that fixes it. And no, you don't need to be a programmer. Tools like make.com, Zapier, or N8N let you build powerful workflows with zero code. Think of it like connecting digital dots. Every automation has 3 key parts: a trigger, an action, and a result. For example, when someone submits a type form, ChatGPT summarizes their response, and Gmail sends a personalized reply automatically. That's it. Simple, smart, and ready to run. Once you've tested it and confirmed it works, you've got your prototype, your first mini digital asset. Step 3. Package it like a real product. This is where most people get it wrong. They stop after building the workflow and wonder why no one buys it. But here's the secret. People don't buy automations. They buy outcomes. So you need to package it like something valuable. Record a short Loom video showing what the automation does. Create a one-page PDF guide explaining how to install it and what problem it solves. Add a quick start checklist to make setup effortless. Then, Give it a name that sounds like a real solution, not just a technical file. Lead magnet delivery agent sounds 10 times more valuable than automation number 4. Naming builds trust. It tells people this isn't a random tool. It's a ready-to-go system. Step 4. Upload and sell. Now it's time to put your product in front of people. Platforms like Gumroad, Payhip, or System.io make this ridiculously easy. They handle payments, file delivery, and even affiliate programs, so others can help you sell. When you write your product description, don't focus on what the automation is. Focus on what it does. Instead of saying, "This connects make.com with Gmail," say, "It turns every new lead into a customer automatically, even while you sleep." That's what sells. Show the transformation. People don't want tools, they want time, freedom, and results. Step 5. Build your ecosystem. Once your first automation is live, don't stop there. This is where things start to multiply. Build 2 or 3 more automations that complement each other. For example, you could have a review booster agent, a follow-up agent, and a content repurposing agent. Each one solves a small but specific problem, then bundle them together and position it as a full solution, like a small business growth kit. Now, you're not just selling one automation, you're selling a complete ecosystem that runs together. That's how you go from a single sale to recurring revenue. It's the moment your income starts compounding, and you realize you've built digital leverage. And here's something most people overlook. Your automations can also become content. Show the results on TikTok, YouTube Shorts, or LinkedIn. People love watching workflows in action. One 30-second video showing an automation turning a lead into a sale can get thousands of views and drive organic traffic to your Gumroad page. You're not selling, you're demonstrating value. If you've been freelancing, this approach can completely change how you think about your time. Instead of selling one custom project to one client, you can sell one automation to hundreds of buyers. You're building assets, not obligations. And that's how you start creating real freedom online. Here's a quick mindset shift that really helped me. When you sell services, you're working for money. But when you sell products, your money starts working for you. When you start thinking like a product creator, you realize that even small automations, the kind you can build in a weekend, can turn into long-term income streams. Let me give you a few automation ideas to spark your creativity. An AI review agent that automatically asks customers for reviews after a purchase. A repurposing agent that takes your YouTube transcript, summarizes it with ChatGPT, and posts it on LinkedIn. A lead magnet agent that delivers freebies instantly and builds an email list on autopilot. These are real examples, and they sell every day. Here's the beauty of this model. You don't need clients, you don't need ads, you don't even need a big audience. You just need one solid automation that solves a real problem, and a way to show people it exists. And before you go, I've put together something to help you take action faster. It's a complete step-by-step guide that shows you exactly how to choose your first automation idea, build it with no code, package it like a real digital product, and start selling it online. You'll find all the details in the pinned comment below. It's designed to help you move faster and avoid wasting hours figuring things out alone. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit the like button, subscribe to the channel, and turn on the notification bell so you don't miss what's next. Drop a comment below telling me which automation idea you'd build first. I'd love to see your ideas. Thanks for watching, and remember, build once, sell forever. Now let's go make some digital profit.